Good morning, everyone. I am Avni, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Bhavish Gupta resigns from Paytm as president and COO. Enforcement Directorate seizes cryptocurrency. Uber accused of deceiving riders with fake fare screens. Microsoft introduces passkeys for passwordless logins. Berkshire Hathaway reports increased cash reserves. India unveils indigenous bomber UAV FWD 200B. Ola Kritim launches mobile app and cloud platform for AI development and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Bhavish Gupta resigns from Paytm as president and COO, citing personal reasons and as a part of organizational restructuring. The company's board accepts Gupta's resignation effective 31st May and appoints him to an advisory role within the company. Paytm faces challenges after the Reserve Bank of India orders the halt of payments bank operations and discontinuation of FASTag services. Users informed about transitioning existing @Paytm UPI IDs and provided steps for manual switching within the application. The Enforcement Directorate seizes over Rs 130 crore worth of cryptocurrency in a money laundering investigation linked to drug trafficking. Operational Operation indicated following mutual legal assistance plea from US authorities under Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Allegations against Parvinder Singh Banmeet Singh operating under international drug trafficking syndicate known as Singh DTO on dark web platforms, bitcoins associated with Liston moniker seized during search operation. Uber faces accusations of using fake fare screens to deceive riders into paying inflated fares, per report by IT Voice. Riders advised to verify drivers and vehicle details, use Trip Verified feature, and promptly end trip to avoid scam. Recommendations include verifying payment amount, refreshing app, retaining documentation, and contacting Uber's customer support for resolution. Precautions aim to protect riders from falling prey to the Uber fake screen scam. Microsoft announces passkeys for passwordless logins across all consumer accounts, enhancing security and convenience. Passkeys eliminate need for passwords, allowing access to services like Outlook and Microsoft 365 via biometric security. Google designed passkeys compatible with iPhones, Macs, Windows computers, and Android phones. Users can set up passkeys by entering email address and authenticating via fingerprint, face, or PIN, with support for websites and mobile browsers initially. Berkshire Hathaway reports significant increase in cash reserves to $189 billion, marking its 60th year of leadership. Decline in company stake in Apple by 22% to $135.4 billion as of March 31st from $174.3 billion at end of 2023. Despite drop in Apple's share price, Berkshire sells 13% of its Apple shares, ending with about $790 million. Shareholders expected to vote on proposals relating to Berkshire's future strategies, diverse range of businesses, and substantial cash reserves. India unveils FWD 200B, its first indigenous bomber unmanned aerial vehicle. Developed by Flying Wedge Defense and Aerospace Technologies, medium altitude, long endurance combat vehicle highlights India's move towards self reliance in strategic defense equipment. Priced at just Rs 25 crore, a tenth of cost of an imported US Predator drone, FWD 200B signifies India's technological advancements and commitment to enhancing its defense autonomy. Aircraft can carry optical surveillance payloads and precision airstrike weapons, operating at maximum speed of 370 kmph with ground control station range of 200 km. Ola Kritrim, AI chatbot company, launches mobile app for Android and iPhones, competing with ChatGPT and Gemini AI. Company opens cloud platform for enterprises, researchers, and developers to build products, providing access to AI computing infrastructure and foundational models. Kritrim AI Assistant app simplifies leveraging AI for everyone, aligning with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Viksit Bharat. Ola Kritim announces Model as a Service, offering developers access to LLMs and open source models hosted on cloud at lower cost, planning to release models for voice, image understanding and generation, and pre tuned LLM agents. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all the latest tech news.
क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं वीडियो कंटेंट आपके बिजनेस के कैसे गेम चेंजर बन सकता है? वॉच द फुल वीडियो एंड क्लिक द फॉलो बटन राइट नाउ। YouTube दुनिया का बड़ा वीडियो शेयरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है with over billion monthly active users and over 1 billion hours of content being watched every day. YouTube provides you unparalleled reach and opportunities. नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं विघ्नेश। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे अल्फाबेट वाई से योस्ट एसईओ एंड YouTube मार्केटिंग। YouTube एक बहुत बड़ा वीडियो शेयरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां यूजर्स अपने वीडियोस को अपलोड, शेयर और देख सकते हैं। यहाँ बिलियंस ऑफ मंथली एक्टिव यूजर्स हैं जो आपको प्रोवाइड कराता है अनपैरेलल्ड रीच एंड एंगेजमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज। ये प्लेटफॉर्म बिजनेस के लिए मार्केटिंग, एजुकेशन कंटेंट, ब्रांड बिल्डिंग और कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट के लिए क्रूशियल है, स्पेशली थ्रू YouTube मार्केटिंग एंड YouTube एड्स। और अब देखते हैं योस्ट एसईओ को। योस्ट एसईओ एक पॉपुलर वर्डप्रेस प्लगइन है। ये आपकी वेबसाइट को सर्च इंजन फ्रेंडली बनाने में मदद करता है। इसके फीचर्स हैं कीवर्ड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, रीडेबिलिटी चेक्स और भी कई टूल्स हैं जो आपके पोस्ट और पेजेस को ऑप्टिमाइज करने में हेल्प करते हैं। इस एपिसोड में देखिए हमने YouTube और योस्ट एसईओ कुछ खास फीचर। अगर आपको एपिसोड पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और फॉलो करना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट जेड के साथ।